Hello guys, this is Connected Cities and here's the review about the project we have created. It's called DIY Temperature Setting and Monitoring and AC Switching Device. So this project basically based on room temperature reading, then this raw data is fed into the system. For example, we could apply this project into an incubator system that would set the temperature, and if the temperature reading satisfy the read value, then it would turn on or off your lamp. Here how it works. In an incubator, it needs a constant temperature value, or it shouldn't be lower of a certain temperature. We just need to set the minimum value that the lamp should turn on. Let's try about 30.5. In this case, since the temperature we set is 30.5 and is higher from the temperature reading, it would turn on the lamp, meaning it satisfies the condition. The lamp gives off heat, so if the lamp is off, then the temperature will then get lower. So if we hold the temperature sensor, here is the temperature sensor. The reading temperature is rising as we observe here. So let us wait about how it reaches up to 30 degrees and it should turn off. Another feature of this project is that it can be controlled remotely. This project has an embedded Bluetooth for you to connect via your mobile phone. An Android application should be installed and it can be downloaded in Play Store. Check the link below. Open Connected Devices app and choose Serial Monitor. Tap Test Devices and then it should automatically search for the available devices. In here, you should click and tap the available device, Bluetooth device. Once pairing is done, it will redirect to some kind of messaging app and it will display the set temperature and the temperature reading currently. So even if you are away from your device, still you can monitor and set the temperature of your incubator. Just type the set temperature, for example we have 26, and click send and it will display also in the LCD of our device. As you notice, the lamp has turned off since the temperature reading is higher than our set temperature. Another thing about this device is that it has a memory installed. So, even a short power outage occur, it would not erase the temperature reset. You'll see that the set temperature is 26 and we'll try to disconnect it to our power. Return the power and you'll see it's still 26 degrees the set temperature. This device can also work and vice versa. If the set temperature is lower than temperature reading, the lamp would turn on. A switch is installed, and if we press it, it will change the status to low here in our LCD. It's a signal that the system is running and vice versa. Let's set the temperature to 30 degrees and it would be higher to the temperature, so it would turn off. Let's try it. And then it turned off. If you have any questions about the code, schematic, just try to comment out below and we'll be happy to respond. Thank you, that's all.